the LED will go to blue when it starts to charge the phone, as you see here. And when it goes into standby mode like this, it will go back to the spectrum effect, which is cycling through 16 million colors. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel here. It's been a while since I did a real unboxing video, so let's go. I have here what is probably the coolest wireless charger you can get for a phone. Your phone has to be, of course, QI compatible. But what I have here is from Razer. This was designed specifically for the Razer Phone 2. And I must say I like the packaging from Razer. I like the green that they use and the black with the amazing logo here. So I like that a lot. I mean, very nice packaging. And like I said, this will work with any QI enabled phone. So let's open this and see what's inside. I'm going to use my super big knife like a lot of YouTubers. Super big. So let's open this and see what we have. Nothing in here. We'll just leave this here. So, like all Razer products, I must say, very nice packaging. We have here a little booklet with, of course, the typical Razer stickers. There's only one big sticker, and here is the quick manual here, just a few pages. I'm going to look at that and I'll get back to this. There is the charger with the Razer. Let me just remove this here. I like I said before, I like the Razer products. Look at that. Even the charger has the Razer logo on it, and it's also Type-C at this end. And what do we have here? Nothing else over here. So what do we have here? Oh, nice, very nice protection here. So let me remove this little styrofoam sheet. It's like a bag basically made of styrofoam. And there is a little leaflet over here. Again, that says how to adjust, slide and lift, set up, plug it here and charge. You put your phone, oh, you can see here, you can put your phone vertical or horizontal and leave the charger horizontal, or you can lift it vertical or at an angle. So this is cool. So let me remove the plastic here. And oh, there's also a plastic here. Okay, so we're supposed to slide this way, slide and tilt. Look at that. Okay, look at the angle here. This is the angle. There's a plastic film in the back also, which I'm going to remove like so. So you can charge your phone horizontal like this, like we saw on the card, or you can tilt it, and then your phone, you can charge it like we saw, like this, horizontal or vertical. Now I have a case with mine. I have a Spigen case, as you can see, so we'll have to see if this works. It's hard to see on websites if this works with a case, and as you know, cases have different thicknesses. This one is fairly thick, as you can see with the logo. So like I said, Spigen, we'll see if that works. Night mode button. Press the night mode button to turn on and off the underglow lighting of the wireless charger. And this is very cool. The button is here. This is cool because this has the famous Razer Chroma. The Chroma underglow right here. You can see the logo right there. So I can't wait to see how that works. So let's connect this over here. USB-C, and over here. And I have a power supply right here. There we go. Look at this, guys. Look at this. What did I tell you at the beginning of this video? The coolest wireless charger ever. So I had a quick look at the booklet, and basically, like I said, horizontal or vertical charging. They show here the location of the right here. They show the location of the 3 coils. Forgot to mention that this has 3 coils, not 2 like many chargers. They show here what the indication of the light of the glow will indicate. Green is charging, blue is pairing, solid blue is paired, and if it's flashing red, there's a charging failure, so your phone may not be compatible in that case. There's a night mode button, and if you download the app, the Chroma app from the App Store or Google Play, you can modify this thing over here. So when you put your phone on the charger, the LED, as you can see here at the bottom, will flash green to indicate that the charging has started, and I can see the logo there. So I can confirm right now that with the Spigen case, it does work. Now, if I want to control the lights over here, I have to go to my Chroma application right here, Razer Chroma, pair a new device. Simply press and hold the night mode button for 5 seconds to activate pairing mode. So the front button is in the front here, 5 seconds. Blue flashing is, if you remember, right here. We're in pairing mode, blue flashing. Now I can see here, pair new device. And it's right away, the charger here, wireless charger. So now it's in pairing mode, and the light should stop blinking. It should be a solid blue to indicate that it is paired. So I'm going to click on the device here. Solid blue, we are paired, so no issue at all. Once you pair your device to the wireless charger, you'll see this screen here. So you have 2 effects. You have a charging effect and you have a standby effect. And here you have timers. So you can disable the light after so many minutes in both the charging mode and the standby mode. So right now I am in the wave mode when it is charging, and spectrum mode when it is on standby. I could, for example, just click on that and select static. Then I could select, let's say, blue, and then go back there. And when I put my phone on the charger, the LED will go to blue when it starts to charge the phone, as you see here. And when it goes into standby mode like this, it will go back to the spectrum effect, which is cycling through 16 million colors. There is a small fan. We can almost hear it here, and you see the vents. When you put your hand, you can feel the air. So this is air cooled. This is very nice. It should last a long time. There's no potential overheating issues. So this is very cool. Like I said at the beginning of my video, I think this is the coolest wireless charger you can get in the market. So thank you guys for watching. And as always, if you have any questions, put them down below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.